Hello, this money mantra brought me $2,000 in just 3 days. When I learned of this in a book I read about spirituality, I decided to try it. And the first day, I realized $1,500. And the second day, I realized $500. I was amazed myself, just like you are. I never believed this could work. But I'm the type of person that believes in spirituality. So I give it a shot and everything I have. Hi, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Lukman, and on this channel we talk about money, spirituality, and we give spiritual tips. And we give simple life hacks, things we can do. And most of these things I've done and they work, and I decided to give it to you, my subscribers. So I'll be showing you in this video simple mantra that I do, that you can do in just 3 days, and you are going to see results. And you are not going to be buying any ingredient. This is just following simple instructions and repeating some spiritual messages that is called money mantra. I'm going to be giving you this money mantra in a while. But before then, I urge you to watch this video till the end. And to get the full benefit of this video, of this mantra, I want you to watch the video again and again. Watch it again and again and follow along. Make sure this mantra become part and parcel of you. Also, I want you to have an open mind that this is going to work for you. It has worked for me. It has worked for so many others. The book I read that has taught me this, it has worked for that person. That was why the person was able to teach it. And I've done it. It's worked. And I'm giving it to you. I want you to take it and use it with open mind that is going to work for you. And these are the mantra. Okay, you've gone through the mantra. I now want to read this mantra. I want you to follow and do the same. Do it severally, and it's going to work for you. For the good of all, and with harm to none, $2,000 is on its way to me. It belongs to me, and I use it how I choose. I thank the universe in advance and focus on the abundance I already have and the overflow of abundance on its way. I will be surprised at the speed and ease at which it manifests into my life. I expect the money to come to me within few hours, but not more than 3 days. And so it shall be. Amen. This is very simple, but I don't want you to feel that because it is simple, it is not working. It is doable. I've just told you that I read this from a spiritual book and it has worked. It is working for that person. It has worked for me. If you believe in it and you do it very well with open mind and with positivity, it's going to work for you. If you have enjoyed this, then you want to manifest abundance into your life, then you will enjoy this video here. Thanks for watching. Till I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget that we can actually succeed together. Thanks.